lady called me and she goes, "Can I raise chickens in my backyard?" I'm actually on my way over to work on a house where the gentleman volunteers for the HOA with me. We've done a few things to maximize the marketing on this home, and it's really made a huge difference. Okay, so here we are in my buddy's kitchen. This was originally staged with their furniture, but it just wasn't selling. So I went ahead and put together a custom design package specific to this kitchen. It was a matter of 2 showings until we had a contract. So now we're gonna head back to my office and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to that kitchen to get the place sold. Here's a beautiful property from the curb. As you might notice, it's a boundary lot, meaning there's nobody to the rear, just mountain views and desertscapes, and the backyard was beautifully finished. This was a selling point of the property. Inside was a little basic. This is what we came to with the owner's furniture there. We didn't end up using this because it just doesn't meet the times. Went ahead and decked it out like this. The green leads the eyes to the middle here, and the flowers lead out to the view in the back. All these little tweaks made a big difference. This was before we had the kitchen professionally staged, and after. We filled up this space above the cabinets so that the eyes weren't distracted by that, put a little color on the countertops, again on the floor to lead the eye to the stove, to bring the eyes to where they need to be. This was before, again, and here is after. Just a little bit to add that pop and that excitement, so as the buyer can be led through the space by decorations and then on out to that beautiful backyard. This was our top performing image. It was split test and then put into the ad itself. And this in turn brought us 2 door openings. A little secret here. The first one wanted to turn in an offer, but the second one beat them to it. And now this is all history. This property has sold. I'd love to show you the rest of this house. Go ahead and click the link below this video. And if you get a chance, give me a call. My name's Matthew Jeske, 520-344-3481. We'll grab a coffee and chat about how homes sell.